Click Start menu. Then type here msconfig. Right-click it, and left-click Run as Administrator. Hover your mouse and left-click Startup. Click Disable All, or retain the check on applications you want to open automatically when Windows starts. Click Apply. And then OK. Do not restart your computer yet. Click Start menu again. Right-click on Computer, and left-click Properties. Click Advanced System Settings. Click on Advanced. And then Settings. On Visual Effects, click Adjust Best Performance. This will disable all the animations from your Windows, but its performance will gradually boost. You can choose and check the visual effects you want to retain. Click Apply. And then OK. Now it's time to restart your computer, and see its boosted performance.